SkyTab tutorial, we will cover how to use the built-in waitlist. Enter your number to sign on. First, tap on Host. Now type in the customer's name and tap Add to Waitlist. Enter the customer's phone number, including area code. Then select the notification method. We can either call them or text them. Tap OK. You will now see the customer's name on the waitlist. To notify the customer that their table is ready, tap on their name and then Notify. The customer will be notified according to the notification method selected. You will also get confirmation from the system that the notification did go out. This is an example of what the message looks like. Once the customer has been seated at their table, you can take them off the waitlist. Tap on Edit, then Remove from List.